going to read Pancakes. Please like, share, and subscribe. Today is the day for pancakes, says Mummy Pig. Hooray! Shout Peppa and George. Mummy, can we help make the pancakes, please? Asks Peppa. Of course, says Mummy Pig. Peppa and George help to mix the pancakes batter. Stir, 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 says Peppa. Splish, splash, 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 says George. The pancake batter is ready to cook. The first one is for George, says Mummy Pig. You'll need to flip the pancake over, says Daddy Pig. I'm an expert at flipping pancakes. Mummy Pig flips George's pancake. The pancake goes up into the air. Flop! It lands back in the pan. Hooray! Cheers Peppa. Flip! You could flip the pancake higher, says Daddy Pig. You could do that when it's your turn to make one, says Mummy Pig. Mummy Pig makes Peppa's pancake next. There is a lovely sweet syrup to pour on top. Delicious. I love pancakes, says Peppa. Yum! When George, Peppa, and Mummy Pig have finished their pancakes, it's Daddy Pig's turn. Ho ho! Is everyone watching? He asks. The secret to make a good pancake is to flip it really high into the air, says Daddy Pig. 1, 2, 3, flip! The pancake flies up over Daddy Pig's head. Flip! And sticks to the ceiling. Splat! Hee. Silly Daddy, says Peppa. Maybe that was a bit too high. Maybe that was a bit too high, says Daddy Pig. Mummy Pig knows what to do. She, Peppa, and George go upstairs and jump around. Boink, thump, plop. They make the ceiling shake so much that the pancake falls down. It lands on Daddy Pig's head. Would you like some syrup, Daddy Pig? Asks Mummy Pig. She pours syrup over the pancake on top of Daddy Pig's head. 1, 2, 3, flip, says Daddy Pig. He tosses the pancake into the air and catches it in his mouth. Delicious. Hee. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.